Welcome. In this lecture we will talk about static body, constant linear velocity. This is linear velocity for body, in our situation for static body. This does not move the body but can affect colliding bodies as if it were moving, so if they are moving. For this lecture you need some preparation. Leave your rigid and static body initially created and create two more similar to this previously created static body, so you will get one static body created with rotation and one with zero rotation. Also we need static body without sprite to be on the, let me say, side. So when you prepare this, and this will be easy for you, this is explained many times, we can after that start creating constant linear velocity for static body. So first let's see where are we. We have movement, body and rotation, so this means friction is 1 for this static body. We can experiment with this, but for this static body we will add some data. So this second static body, as I say second, so static body after static body which are rotated, we will only go to inspector window and change data about constant linear velocity. We will give some constant linear velocity, for example this, and some constant linear velocity on epsilon axis can be minus 6, and we can test this to see what's going on. So we have rotation, and when the ball comes here we will have this effect, which means we can only select this rigid body and put it here to see this effect immediately. So we have some movement to the side. And now we will continue changing data on this static body. We will make a little bit more on x, and on epsilon we will give it positive. Now we have some movement. This is constant linear velocity influencing here. So this static body here have two parameter set. Now I will try to create some bouncing with this parameter. I'll try first with a negative value. So we have bouncing, as you see. We have visible bouncing. I can make it a little bit more to be visible. And movement on x-axis is visible. Now we have all of this. And let me combine these two effects. One moment, rigid body, movement mode. Okay, now we have here one effect on this static body, let me say on this platform, and when they come to other platform, other effect is going to influence this rigid body. So this is methods, constant linear velocity set under the static body and influence rigid body as it moves. Also we put one static body to the side, so our body when come to the side, stop. Thank you for watching and see ya in a next lecture.